Hey y'all, good evening. How are you guys doing? Today is Sunday, the 4th of January, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the stuff I got from Temu. This is my second time buying from Temu, and I still have another order coming in probably by next week. Okay, how are you guys doing? How is the year going for you? I hope you're not overwhelmed. I hope you're not rushing yourself and pressuring yourself that there is no time, because really we still have 362 days, 61 days. This year we have 365 days. Yeah, you get the drift, right? So yeah, don't pressure yourself. Everybody's moving at their own pace. As I am like this, I'm not pressured. I refuse to be pressured. See the time. This is my Temu order, so let's just unwrap this. Okay. Ooh, love it. So I'm just going to be, I fucked up. First I'm saying here is this. I should have done the one that has my whole family in it, but you know, because I was very skeptical about it, that's why. But yeah, I'm just going to use this. This is me, AI created. This is my late sister. This is me with my first ever camera. This was a Canon camera I was using in back then in China. I think this picture was taken in 2017. This is my dad. This is my mom. This is me. This is like a week or 2 weeks after I got back from China. You know, I felt like everything was turning upside down, but my parents stood by me. My dad especially stood by me. This is a picture I created AI. So basically this is just here to show that my goals this year is to stay alive and make money. Okay, any other thing is secondary, but my primary goal is to stay alive and make money. And then I have my brother and myself here. So yes, I use an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is iPhone XR I'm using to film this. So yes, this is going to fit in my phone properly. Trust me, if I was to do this here in Nigeria, I know how much it's going to cost me. So this was done for 3,859 naira. This, okay, I do the dumbest buy ever. The dumbest buy ever. I know I'm not the only one that does this, but yeah. 10,238. That's a lot. I already got this yesterday. Was it yesterday? 2 days ago with my friend. I went to Cinemat to get this with my friend. I totally forgot, okay? So now I have a spray bottle, airbrush, which I clearly have an airbrush. And this is for oil and whatever applicator, and this is to wash your hair, like to wash my hair. I'm sorry if you've seen a lot of purple here. I'm in love of purple. In case you're new here, welcome. Okay, next we have this sieve here. It's a sieve basket. So I bought this purposely because of my zobo. I make zobo, and that's literally what I want to be drinking this year. I don't want to drink any Fanta, Coke, whatever. I'm not even a fan of Coke anyways, but Fanta, I want to reduce that. So I bought this so it can be easier to sieve out the juice from the zobo leaves, from the hibiscus leaves, sorry. So I got this for 1,000 naira. I don't think it was even up to that at the time, but I bought this for 1,000, let's say 1,000 naira. Okay. So this sieve, yeah, this is what it's going to look like. Mailbox cards, whatever it is, but this is what it's supposed to look like. I got this previously when I was still living on the island. I got it, I used it to decorate my room, and because I want to revamp my room, that's why I'm doing, that's why I bought this one. So I want to like change the settings of my room. So yes, this was 1,829, 27, 1,827. I think it comes in 10. It's 10 exactly. So you just have to stick it to the wall, and that's it. Hey, I really hope it's my size I bought. I would be so mad if this is not my size. I'm going to be so mad. I'm going to be so freaking mad. I'm going to be so mad if this is not my size. But yeah, I got this for 7,000 something, 7,657, and now the price is 14,657. So that's probably the price. I'm so grateful that I bought it at the time I bought it. Oh my god, nah, looking at this, I know it's not going to be my size. It's my size. So I think I've gotten what I'll wear to the office tomorrow. So yes, it's my size. Yeah, got it in a size 40. Look at the material. I'm so happy I finally have this. I think I bought more. Okay, I have this small tiny clips here. I just knew they were going to be this tiny. I just knew it. I think I bought all of this one for about 20 of them in here, and it's for 2,300 and something like, yeah, 2,333. 2,333. Now let me tell you guys one crazy thing that I did. This shoe, I did not know that I already ordered for this one, and then I ordered for another one in the next order that is coming from Temu. So this vlog is going to be joined together because there's no freaking way I'm going to do another vlog unboxing. No, we're going to join it together. But I bought this one for, alright, so this I got it for 17,856, and I don't know if it's going to be my size 41. Okay, I wear a size 39. Okay, I wear a size 39. When I was picking my sizes, I was very skeptical. I don't know why Temu is sending me something else, but that's okay. That's okay. It's a sneaker, so I believe it's going to size me, right? Right. So next I bought, this is so tiny, baby. Okay. Next I got this one, basically for my face, and this is 777 naira. This, and then we have this Africa. Yes, this is 1,673 naira. 1,673 naira. This is cute. If you've been an OG on my channel, you know that when it comes to Africa and African print, whatever it is, I'm a big fan. I have something like this but a bigger size. Well, this is a smaller size, so this should work. And then I have this jewelry. It's a 6-piece women's butterfly and hearts jewelry. That's a long whatever. But yeah, I have this one, and this is 2,685. Next and the last one on the list, I guess. Yes, I think that's it. The last one is this Bohemian wooden. Love it too much. Love it so much. I'm a big fan of hand bracelets, a huge fan. So this is 3,121 naira. So the total of what I got is 45,391 according to the receipt I'm seeing here, which I don't know if I was blind when I was buying it, but it's fine. It's fine, completely fine, because I know how much they sell this on Instagram. So yeah, it's still not bad, provided that I'm sure. I paid 45,390. Gave me discount of 15,000. The total was supposed to be, that's the issue. Temu, I don't understand sometimes. So the total was supposed to be 122k for all of this, and I was given a discount of 61,000. So which now boils down to subtotal of 45,000. So yeah, all of this is 45,000 naira. In case you don't know, the second day that I got this phone, which was February 16th, I got this phone on the 15th of February 2025, and the next day this thing fell and broke. And then I went there to ask how much it's going to cost to change this, and they told me 30,000 naira. As at that time, that money was a bit too much for me to pay at once, because I was going through life crisis. And then I told myself that there was no freaking way I was going to pay such amounts of money. So no, I did not pay. And since then, I've been covering my secret with my pouches. So yeah. Hey y'all, so I got my second order from Temu. We're just going to unwrap it right now. So I'm going to be ending this video here. Okay, so yes, I got my second order from Temu. So this is the third time I am placing an order on Temu. Okay, the third time. The first one, it was in one vlog, then the second one, this video, and then this is the third one. Okay, so let's just unbox it, unwrap it. First thing first, this is right. Okay, so I got this is for my wigs, because I have wigs and I really do not know how to maintain them. So I got this, and obviously it has to be in purple color, because why not? So yes, this is a wig hanger, a wig something. It's with this, it comes with this. So I can't really remember what this is, but is it for the wig? I don't know, but yeah, have this and another one. All right, I would need to figure this out, and I'm going to add it on the screen. Okay, I don't know what this is. And I got another shoe, yeah, sadly. So I have to sell this one. Because it's exactly, that's why I was saying the last time that I made a mistake. I ordered for the shoe twice. So you see, it's exactly the same thing I got the last time. So I would have to sell this one to somebody. Okay, for the same price, exact same price. So let's hope that I find somebody to sell this to. All right, these rings, knuckle rings. I'm a big fan of knuckle rings, but I had to get them in black so they don't fade off so fast. And the next one is earrings, because why not? And then we have this set of ring, necklace. It's just a whole lot here. It's a whole complete set. It's a ring, earring, necklace, and hand bangles. This is also from Temu. Next we have this. Oh, this is the fish eye. I'm such an impulse buyer. Oh my god, I'm such an impulse buyer. All right, I'll have to figure this out, but this is the fish eye thing. Like if you want to shoot a fish eye content or picture or video or whatever, just use this. I would need to figure out how to use this, how to fix this. This is the last one. I got this dress because mesh is the new deal, but this is not looking like a mesh material, so I would assume that this is the first time that Temu is going to scam me. But it should be good. It should be good. By the time I'm editing this video, I definitely should have worn it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And the neck, I don't know why the neck is looking like this, but we'll figure it out. This is what it looks like. It's actually a very long gown. It's a very long gown. I'm becoming a huge fan of gown. So yes, and voila, that's it. That is it. Thank you guys for watching. If by the time this video is up I have not sold this out, I am going to sell this and I will attach the price on the screen so you guys can get it. This is in size 39. Remember the one I got, it was in size 41 or thereabout, I can't remember, but yes, I'm going to have to sell this one. Okay, and with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. I would also try and drop the links of everything I got. I will try. It's going to be a hard hustle, but I will try. So anyone you want, you let me know. I'll send the link. Just drop a comment and I'll drop the link for you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and I'm sorry that I am sweating so bad, but this year we are not doing anything filtered. It has to be unfiltered so you guys can see me in my era. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Always remember, love what you do what you love, be yourself, love yourself, and believe in yourself. I remain your favorite baby girl, Susan Adike, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.